What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that allows your business to partner with a supplier to display and sell their products in your online store. In other words, you can sell their goods and it does not require your business to keep the product in stock. When you sell an item, the dropshipping business, the supplier, will send that purchased item straight to the customer. The product itself never passes through your hands. This online business model sounds too good to be true, right? Not exactly. Learn more. With the right approach, dropshipping can be a successful fulfillment method, including with trending, worldwide brand name items. That means taking the time to conduct market research and finding the right suppliers. Of course, low profit margins, a highly competitive market and no control over the supply chain are potential hiccups along the way, but dropshipping products with various wholesalers can have its perks. Check the link in the description for more and also subscribe.